Welcome to the DARA installation tutorial. Using the Chrome browser, go to the Chrome Web Store and install MetaMask. After creating your password, you will be prompted to write down your secret recovery phrase. After finishing the install of MetaMask, go to the Chrome Web Store and install DARA. After installing the DARA extension, you are now ready to go to the DARA dashboard. Now you can go to the DARA website. In the right-hand corner, click Dashboard. Click Sign In and select MetaMask and approve. Select the BSC network. You're now ready to sign in. Click Sign In, select MetaMask, and approve. In the dashboard on the left, you will find many options. You can choose to upload files or even go to the public archive. We will now test a public archive upload. Click Public Archive. This will open a list of the latest stored content. Now open a site that you would like to save. Click the puzzle piece in the top right bar and select DARA. Click Upload this page in the drop-down menu. Congratulations, you have archived to the DARA network. You can now view this archive in the link provided. To publish publicly, click View Public. You will find your latest published archive in the list below. Welcome to DARA, the immutable publishing platform.